Hey guys, I just opened a Buy Me a Coffee page. I'll have the QR code here in a second for you to donate. But for every donation for now, 20% will be going to Food Banks Canada for the year of 2026. And then in 2027, I'll be picking a new charity to support. On top of that, as soon as I get my first moderator, the charity amount will go down to 10% of my profits and another 10% for helping my mods with any expenses that they may have, whether it's gifts for them as appreciation or even just helping them out with medical bills or whatever they need. That's how I'm going to kind of split it up. So if you want to support me, just scan this QR code now.